Hello guys, this is how to log in. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to perform a system check on Cengage. If you're a student or instructor using Cengage, you want to ensure that your system is running smoothly and that you're able to access all of the resources and tools available to you. The Cengage System Check is a simple and easy way to diagnose any issues with your computer or internet connection that could impact your Cengage experience. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to perform a system check on Cengage, so you can identify and address any potential issues before they affect your learning or teaching. Whether you're new to Cengage or a seasoned user, this video will provide you with the information you need to ensure a seamless and productive experience on the platform. So let's get started. So, first of all, go to your web browser and type sam.cengage.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now you will see this page where it asks you to enter your username and password. If you look below it, you will see System Check button. So go ahead and click on it. As you can see, it has provided the information on your device. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.